Hey guys, it's Joe from POTN here. Today we're going to be doing a quick overview on the Bilstein B14 coilover kit for the VW Transporter Mark 5 and Mark 6. So when you receive your Bilstein B14 coilover kit, it will look something little like this, with some images on the side and some stats and statistics on the top. So we'll get this opened up and I'll show you what's inside. So here is the kit all nicely laid out so you can see everything included with your B14 coilovers. So what is so special about this coilover kit? So as previously said, this is the B14 coilover kit by Bilstein for the VW Transporter Mark 5 and Mark 6, in which if you head over to Bilstein suspension store, we currently have this listed at a reasonable £1,200. These coilovers will lower your transporter approximately 30 to 50mm on the front and rear, with the threaded body adjustable range of 20mm at both axles. Now, this kit is made from Bilstein's high quality sport springs, ensuring it is carefully crafted out of high durable material. The surface coating uses Bilstein's CCC technology, in which is their 3-layer coating system developed specifically for the ride height threaded adjustable kits. It guarantees you high quality protection from any type of corrosion, as well as the spring plates and lock nuts are also developed out of a very strong special aluminium. So with this kit, Bilstein are literally bringing their technology from the racetrack to the road with the CCC and gas presser technology. These features provide you with the ultimate coilover kit for your VW Transporter. So please visit www.bilsteinsuspensionstore.co.uk and grab yourself some B14s today. Thanks for watching, guys.